Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or hello, welcome, my name is Jordan and this is my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day look for you guys. I know I haven't done one yet and Valentine's Day is next week, so I wanted to get some type of look up for you guys. I wanted to do more of like a subtle, like glowy skin, very soft on the eyes, but I wanted to do like a bold lip with it. So I have a couple of different things laid out here, and I'm probably going to be diving back into the James Charles palette, but I'm also going to be using the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette today because there are some shades in there that I do like. But the pink shade in the James Charles palette is just too pretty not to pass up, so I have to use it again. So yeah, I've been using it a lot lately. But yeah, enough talking and let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to see my Valentine's Day glam, then please keep watching. Alright, so my skin is already moisturized. I have the Clinique moisturizer on my skin, and now I'm going to prime. I'm going to be doing like a couple different steps before I actually apply my foundation. Since we are doing such like subtle eyes, I'm going to do the face first. But first I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. It's got such a long name, but I'm going to focus this just in the center of my face. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I'm just going to focus this right in here. It just smooths out my textured areas. I don't have like too much texture, but I'm just going to focus that on the insides of my cheek, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. Next we are going to be going in with two products. I'm going to be going in with the, these are the strobe creams from MAC, and this one, what is this shade? This is Gold Light, and I've been using this for like over a year now, and I love how it makes like the high points on my cheeks glow and everything. So I'm going to be taking this with maybe 1 or 2 drops of this Cover FX, the glitter drops. This one is in the shade, what shade are you? It doesn't even say what shade it is. Oh wait, there it is, Nova. These are the glitter drops. What I'm going to just do really quick is I am going to take 2 little drops on the back of my hand, not a lot, just a little bit there on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take the strobe cream. I'm going to use a generous amount of this. Just like that, so they're both on top of each other. I'm going to use my finger to mix them to make my own little concoction here. I'm going to just dab this all over my face. Okay, I'm going to be using the same brush that I'm going to go in with for my foundation. This is the Morphe M439 brush, and I'm going to buff all of that out. I do have my eyebrows done already because your girl has to get them done, and I am not wasting time trying to fix them on camera. So that is the only thing that's done on my face so far. So this does leave a really like nice glittery glow, but like I said, we are going to put foundation over it. So the drops are more glittery, but yet the strobe cream is just like a glow from within, if you want to look at it that way. So for a foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and I'm just going to dab this. I kind of do my cheeks first, and then I bring everything down my neck and on my forehead. So, we'll start with that. And I kind of push it into the skin and then do circular motions to buff it all out. I'm going to take just a little bit more product, add a little bit more. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these. Now for concealer, I'm going to be going in. This is like my 3rd time using this. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I am in the shade C1, and I am going to be concealing my under eyes with this. So far I do like this concealer. Not as much as the Shape Tape or the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but I like it. It is inexpensive. I think it was $6 or $7 at Ulta. I'm liking it so far. Yep, this is embarrassing. I'm going to be putting concealer on my forehead and I don't blend it out. I don't know what I was thinking. Then I have recently been going in, instead of using a beauty sponge or my other brush that I've used in past videos, I've been going in with this Crown brush. It doesn't even have a number or anything, but it's like the perfect size to blend out concealer. So I'm going to be using that under my eyes. Then I do go in with a beauty blender before I set it to get all the creases out, but this is great to bring it down on the face and blend it into your foundation. Yep, see that nice little crown thing on my forehead? It stays there for half the video. I must have blended it out with some powder and stuff, but I completely set it with my setting powder and everything. Yep, enjoy it. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking a damp Morphe sponge and I am going to quickly just push all that down, make sure I don't have any creasing. I even went in with a beauty blender and did not touch my forehead at all. What is wrong with me? I'm going to set my under eyes with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder because I want my face to be like really, really bright today. So I'm going to really focus this. I'm going to pick up a generous amount on my sponge and I'm going to push that into the skin under the eyes. Right, now to set my face, I will be going in with, I have not used this in a video yet, but this is from e.l.f. This is a soft, it's an illuminating face powder, and I think it's in the shade like light or something. There's no sticker on it or anything, but it has this little applicator inside that I usually don't use. I just put it in the cap, and then I take a big fluffy face brush and I push my brush into the product and I kind of just shake the excess off and I push this into my skin. There is a slight bit of like glitter in this, like it's not a lot, but there is a slight amount. So if you are somebody that does not like glitter, like reflex and stuff like that, there is that in this product. So I'm just going to push this into my cheeks. Same thing on the other side. Finding life along the way. Now that my face is set. Yep, and my forehead set with a nice glob of concealer. Yep. I'm going to be going in with bronzer. I'm not going to contour or anything. I'm just going to bronze up the cheeks just a little bit, and I will be using the Anastasia bronzer. This one is in the shade Tawny, and this is what it looks like. We'll be going in with this, and I'm just going to be taking a fluffy bronzing brush. It's got like a little tapered point at the top, which is really nice. This is a Moda Pro brush. They say it's for blush, but I like it a lot more for bronzing, and this is a BMX 130 brush. So I'm just going to pick up some product and bronze up my cheeks a little bit. But not a lot, because I am going to go a little heavier on blush today because I want it to be a very pink tone look. Now that I have bronzed up my face, we are going to be going in with blush. Blush today, I am using this ColourPop Duo palette. I forget the name of this one. I'm going to have to find it on their website and link it below. But it is like a highlight blush combo, but I actually mix the two together as blush just because it is so pink. But I'm going to be going in with this on my cheeks. First, I'm going to be using an Estetica P12 brush, and I'm going to pick up a very generous amount of blush on there, but I'm going to tap a little bit off, and I'm going to sweep this up my face to blend it in with my bronzer. I'm not going to just focus this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to bring it up my whole face. So as you can see, it's very pink, but we will tone it down a little bit after. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit denser brush. This is from ColourPop, and I'm going to pick up the more shimmery shade because I want my skin really shimmery, glowy today, and I'm going to put that just in the center on the apples of my cheeks. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to be picking up a, it's like a duo fiber brush, and I'm going to use this to blend everything together seamlessly. This is from Mikasa Beauty. This is a F200 brush, so as you can see, it's got the little duo fibers on the top, and I just use this basically to just blend everything together on my face, get rid of the harsh lines. I love rosy cheeks. Okay, so now for highlight. Highlight, I'm going to be picking up the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero collaboration, and I'm going to kind of mix these first two shades, Kitty Cat and Forever Young, and then put a little bit of the white Forever Lit on top. So I'm going to kind of just mix a bunch of them together. I am using my Morphe M501 brush for this. No, I don't want no rest. Okay, so now that my face is complete, I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, that really light, neutral eye base shade. Slants through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. Then I'm going to be taking, with that same brush, I'm going to be picking up the first shade in the palette. It's like a peachy tan shade, and I'm just going to put that right in my crease. I'm going to jump over to the James Charles palette again, and I'm going to be picking up, what is the shade called? I think it's got a really cute name. I'm going to be picking up Pinkity Drinkity. That is what the shade is called. And it is this pink shade right here, right above the hot pink one. I'm going to pick that up, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Going in with a Sigma blending brush, it's an E25 brush, and I am going to pick up a bunch of product. It's like a bubblegum pink. Yeah, there you go. You guys can see that. It is so pretty, and I'm picking up a lot. I'm just going to tap off the excess powder. Put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to pick up that hot pink shade that is right underneath, just a little bit. Very little bit. Like, see, that was like a little. And I'm going to sweep this over the top. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. It's a BH Cosmetics brush. I think it says 105. I've had this for a long time, but it's just like a pencil brush. And I'm going to be picking up this brown shade in the palette here, and I'm going to kind of buff that on the outer corner just to smoke out my eye a little bit. And on we'll go. I'm going in with this little smudger brush from Luxie Beauty, and I'm going to be picking up the, which one should I do? Okay, I'm going to pick up, I'm going to mix into those two pinks from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. Going to do my lashes off camera, and then we will be right back. Okay, so I put on some lashes. These are just like natural Ardell wispy lashes. I don't usually use lashes, but these are very natural looking, and I like these. They're very lightweight. I use the House of Lashes lash glue in black to apply them, and I just put some white eyeliner. It is from Sephora. It's a Sephora crayon eye pencil, and I just put some white eyeliner in my waterline, and now I am going to add freckles to my face. I am going in with the $1 Billion brow pencil. I thought this was like a really nice shade to do some freckles, so we are going to go in and just put some freckles around on our cheeks and maybe a little bit on the forehead and my nose. Let's see. I'm also going to add in, this is a little bit darker than that $1 Billion Brows. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm going to add in just some dark ones. Same thing, I'm going to just take my concealer brush and kind of just buff that so they don't look like they're really actually drawn on my face. For lips. I am going in with the Kat Von D. This is a lip liner from her in the shade X, and I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to go in with a very bright red lip today. So first I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to be going in with Anastasia's liquid lip in the shade American Doll. This is like a really, really, really bright red, but it has like a slight like blue undertone to it. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting mist. I love this setting spray. Alright, that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hopefully next time I will have better lighting. I'm going to be getting a ring light. I think Dan's getting me one for Valentine's Day. So hopefully I will have better lighting. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup look. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!